You ever notice how the moments that matter the most don't feel urgent at all? They feel quite comfortable, almost boring. That's usually when people start getting caught off guard. I was talking to a homeowner recently who said something that really stuck with me. He said, "Nothing was wrong, that's why I didn't think I had to do anything." And he meant it sincerely. He told me that his family was having a dinner. They were hosting a bunch of people. Everything was going fine. The food was prepared, guests were on their way, oven preheating. No stress, everything almost ready. Then his wife, this makes me laugh. His wife asked him to run out quickly. Just one small thing she needed. 10 minutes tops. While he was gone, well, here's the story. While he was gone, the power went off. Not flickering, no warning, just off. The oven quit, the house cooled fast, and the guests started arriving early. All of a sudden, the whole situation changed. When he got back, of course, he was annoyed that the power went out, but that wasn't the part that bothered him the most. He was annoyed that everything had felt so normal 5 minutes early, or 5 minutes earlier. There was no reason to plan for it. Until there was. That's how HVAC decisions sneak up on people. And really, that is what happens. As long as your system is running, everything feels stable. It worked last winter, it's working now, nothing feels urgent. So waiting almost feels smart. Responsible even. But HVAC systems don't usually fail suddenly. They weaken and wear out quietly over time. And when they finally stop, you don't get time to think anymore. Now it's cold, or it's hot, depending on the season, or it's happening at the worst possible time. That's when your clarity disappears. Most regrets don't come from choosing the wrong system. They come from being forced to choose after things have already gone sideways. Waiting isn't a mistake. Replacing early isn't overreacting. The real risk is letting comfort create the illusion that there's no decision to make yet. The best HVAC decisions are made when nothing feels wrong, when nothing is pushing the decision. That's the window most people don't realize that they're standing in. If your system is still running, everything feels fine. That's not a reason to rush. But the moment to understand your options while things are still easy. Stay comfortable, but please, stay tuned.